Begin where you stand, with tools in your hand. Make the most of the present. Take a firm stand. With what you possess, give it your all. Do what you can. Answer the call. Don't be shaped by what others demand. Define your own strengths. Take a firm stand. In your own light, let your true self shine. Carve your own path. Make your life divine. Never give up, for great things take time. With patience and effort, you will climb. Every small step leads to grand peaks. Persistence is the key. Success it seeks. Believe in yourself, even if it's just a play. Pretend you have faith, and in time, it will stay. Act with confidence, let courage fill. Soon enough, your belief will be real. Sometimes the battle takes more than one try. You have to keep going, reaching for the sky. With each fight, you grow stronger, inching towards the win. Persistence and courage are where you begin. Do your thing, let your spirit soar high. Don't worry if others frown or sigh. Your path is yours, unique and bright. Shine your own way, in your own light. To save your heart, start with your own love. Embrace yourself, rise above. Self-compassion is where healing starts. In your own kindness, mend your heart's parts. Make happiness your top concern. Be gentle with yourself. Let kindness burn. In life's journey, take it slow. With self-love, let your spirit glow.